I was introduced to Dr. Frame through a friend of mine who was working in the shop next door. And my first visit, they were absolutely welcoming, and I just loved Nadine and Dr. Frame. They were just delightful, plus the staff, which was tremendously good. Well, I began with the Fraxel, which was a period over 3 appointments, which was very successful for me. And from there on, I had short-term injections of Restylane and some Botox, which was in my over my forehead, and that was even more successful. And since then, I've gone from Fraxel to just injections about every 6 to 9 months. And then the other month, I guess it would have last year, I started with Sculptra. And that is extremely successful with me. And since then, it's just been basically touch-ups with a little bit of Botox in my chin and the Restylane in my cheeks to help the sag, so to speak. And I have been so pleased with the results. Not only that, I've become very close friends with the Frames and the staff here, which is delightful. One must realize that to go through this process, you have to have some courage to do the things that you're being asked to accept. And one of them is, of course, the injections from Dr. Frame. And there is no question he's an absolute professional. They do freeze the bits that need to be injected. I hardly feel anything. The only one that perhaps I felt a little uncomfortable with was the Fraxel, for the only reason that I had to endure a rather long period of time in the chair. 3 visits for that, and it seemed like a long time, but the results were so good that you couldn't question that it was a very helpful procedure. And of course, I must mention the reception from Nadine, because she did so good about making sure that you know exactly what's going to be done, how much it's going to cost you, and are you agreeable with this. And so there's no question about money problems. That is decided upon before anything happens, which is the professional way of doing business, no question. The only thing is it becomes an addiction. And it's an addiction because, of course, you want to retain this wonderful feeling of confidence and feeling younger, at least looking younger. And so, yes, I wouldn't hesitate recommending Dr. Frame and his entourage at all. In fact, I have done so already. So I'm truly satisfied. I am going to tell you I am 77 years of age, and I feel absolutely terrific. Feeling and looking younger has done everything for my self-esteem. There's no question that I feel far more confident than I did 2 and 3 years ago. So this has been very good.